AI website builders are everywhere right now. The pitch is always the same. Type in a prompt, click a button, and your entire website is built in seconds. Sounds amazing. But here's the real question that most people never ask. Can these AI-generated websites actually rank on Google? Because building a site is one thing. Building a site that loads fast, is structured correctly, and has real SEO potential is something completely different. So in this video, we're putting CodeDesign AI to the test. We're going to see how the AI website generator actually works, how customizable the sites really are, whether the pages are structured properly for SEO, and most importantly, whether this is something you could realistically use for a real business website. So if you're thinking about launching a website with AI tools, this is a review you're going to want to see. Let's dive in. What CodeDesign AI actually is. CodeDesign AI is an AI-powered website builder designed to create full websites from simple prompts. And instead of starting with a blank template, you describe the type of site that you want. For example, a personal trainer website, a SaaS landing page, a local service business site, a portfolio website. The AI then generates a complete website layout, including page structure, text content, design, sections, images, calls to action. The idea is that you go from idea to a live website in minutes instead of hours, days, or weeks. After the AI generates the site, you can then edit it using a visual builder similar to some other website platforms. So on paper, this sounds extremely powerful, but the big question is whether the results are actually good enough to use. Building a website with CodeDesign AI. All right, so let's walk through what the process looks like. When you first open the platform, you're asked to describe the website that you want to build. You might type something like a website for personal trainers offering online coaching and local training sessions. Within seconds, the AI generates a full website layout. Typically, you'll get sections like a hero section with a headline, and call to action, an about section, services or offerings, and testimonials and contact forms. All this is generated automatically. And honestly, the first impression is pretty impressive. For beginners especially, this makes the process much less intimidating than starting from scratch. But this brings us to an important part of the review. How flexible is the design? Design flexibility. One of the biggest problems with AI website builders is that the designs often look good at first glance, but become difficult to customize. Fortunately, CodeDesign AI does give you a fair amount of editing control. You can modify things like colors, typography, layout, sections, content, blocks, images, and media. You can also rearrange sections of the page to better match the structure that you want. However, there are still some limitations. Because the design is generated automatically, some layouts can feel a bit template-like. If you want extremely custom designs or advanced UI control, traditional builders like Webflow or Framer still offer more flexibility. But for beginners building simple business websites, the level of customization here is usually more than enough. Now let's talk about the most important part of this review, SEO. Can CodeDesign AI websites actually rank? This is where things get interesting. A lot of AI website builders generate pages that look good visually, but are poorly structured for SEO. So the real question is whether CodeDesign AI avoids those problems or not. There are several things that we want to check. First is the heading structure. Search engines rely on heading tags like H1, H2, and H3 to understand page hierarchy. The sites generated by CodeDesign AI generally include proper heading structure, which is a good sign. Next is metadata. For SEO, you need to be able to edit things like page titles, meta descriptions, URLs, and CodeDesign AI allows you to edit these fields, which is critical for optimization. Another important factor is page speed. Fast-loading websites perform better in search rankings and provide better user experience. AI-generated websites can sometimes include large images or unnecessary scripts, which can slow things down. But overall, the pages generated here are relatively lightweight compared to many drag-and-drop builders. Mobile responsiveness is also important. Most traffic today comes from mobile devices, so your site needs to look good on smaller screens. The layouts generated by CodeDesign AI are responsive by default, meaning they automatically adjust for mobile. That's another positive sign. So overall, while you'll still need to optimize your content and SEO strategy yourself, the platform does provide the technical foundation needed for ranking. But SEO isn't the only factor to consider. So let's talk about performance and usability. Website performance. Performance is a huge part of modern websites. Visitors expect pages to load quickly, and search engines factor speed into their ranking algorithms. Because CodeDesign AI generates relatively simple page structures, performance tends to be fairly solid. That said, performance will still depend on things like image sizes, how many sections you add, additional scripts or integrations. The good news is that the generated layouts don't rely on overly complex design elements that slow things down. So from a performance standpoint, the sites are generally in a good place. But performance alone doesn't make a platform great. We also need to talk about pricing. Like most AI website builders, CodeDesign AI offers different pricing tiers depending on how many sites you want to create and what features you need. Typically, these plans include things like hosting, custom domains, AI generation features, publishing tools, and free plans often include limitations, such as branding or restricted features, while paid plans unlock full functionality. So before committing to any builder like this, it's always worth comparing the pricing to other website platforms to see what makes the most sense for your project. Because depending on what it is that you're actually building, other builders may offer similar functionality at different price points. Pros and cons. So now that we've looked at how the platform works, let's talk about the biggest advantages and drawbacks. One of the biggest pros is speed. Being able to generate an entire website layout in seconds can save a huge amount of time. Instead of designing every section manually, you start with a complete structure and refine it. Another advantage is accessibility. For beginners who have never built a website before, AI builders like this dramatically reduce the learning curve. But there are also some downsides. AI-generated designs can sometimes feel generic. If you want a truly unique website, you may still prefer a more advanced builder. And while the AI generates content, you'll almost always want to rewrite and improve the content yourself. AI text is rarely perfect out of the box. So who should use CodeDesign AI? So who's the platform actually best for? CodeDesign AI is a great option for beginners building their first website, entrepreneurs launching small business sites, creators building landing pages, people who want a fast starting point. However, if you're building a highly customized product site, complex SaaS application, or something with advanced design requirements, you may still prefer a more advanced builder. So AI website builders are improving incredibly fast. Tools like CodeDesign AI make it easier than ever to go from idea to a live website in minutes. And while these tools won't replace professional web development anytime soon, they can absolutely help beginners launch real websites much faster. So if your goal is to get a business site online quickly and then refine it over time, this platform can be a very practical option. Just remember that even with AI tools, the fundamentals still matter. Great websites still require good content, strong messaging, clear structure, and ongoing improvement. So AI can speed up the process, but building a successful website still takes thought and strategy. So if you want to get started with CodeDesign AI, we've got a link for you down in the description below. This is an affiliate link, which means we do earn a small commission when you use it at no extra cost to you. And these commissions really help support the channel and allow us to continue to create free content just like this. So if you end up using it, we thank you so much in advance. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss another video. Here on the channel, we make videos on how to create websites, explore different website builders, discuss domain names, and so much more, so be sure to subscribe. But other than that, thank you so much for watching. We'll see you here in the next video.